Hello everyone. Welcome to this Rapid Guides tutorial video where we provide quick and simple tech solutions to all your tech issues. In today's video, I'll show you how to copy an X, formerly Twitter, profile link. Here's how. Open the X app and navigate to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the top left corner. Scroll to any of your posts, then tap the share icon on that post. Select Copy Link. Once copied, paste the link into your notes or a messaging app like WhatsApp. Edit the link by removing everything after the slash next to your username. Copy the remaining link, and it should open your X profile. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video.